Uh, Woo! Hey, everybody. Hi, this is Philip Kripe from Hashed Out Daily Crypto News with Cryptopolitan. We're about to go through today's news. Today is the 20th of November, 2023. Thanks for joining us. I see there are 6 of you already here. So last time we talked about... Did we talk about all this last time? No, we didn't. I need to go further. Let's see. We're getting closer. I believe we talked about these. We talked about the CFTC commissioners advocating for urgent crypto regulation. We talked about Singapore launching its live CBDC trial for interbank settlements. And we talked about Binance Futures expanding offerings with BeamX perpetual contract. I don't think we talked about Stuart Alderodi questioning the SEC's approach in Ripple's legal saga for the umpteenth time. Does this regularly. Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderodi, challenges the SEC's handling of the Ripple case, suggesting it deviates from the Commission's founding principles. Despite the SEC's lawsuit alleging illegal fundraising through XRP sales, Ripple has not been accused of fraud, aligning with Judge Torres's ruling that XRP is not a security. That's what she ruled for most cases, except for the case where they were selling it to institutional investors. Alderodi points out the SEC's rapid and broad application of regulations to cryptocurrencies impacting firms like LBRY, Coinbase, and Binance. They're basically saying that that's not the way they should be doing it. Yeah, let's keep going. AVAX and Near outperformed Bitcoin and Ether in the Asian market. Sorry, I'm feeling stuffy. It's weird. AVAX and Near's surge challenges crypto giants. Singapore's Project Guardian fuels AVAX rally, and Near's gains are linked to positive NearCon news. So that's what happened there in the last few days. Singapore is about to transform its crypto scene forever. Singapore's approved blockchain firm Paxos to issue a US dollar pegged stablecoin, signaling a significant shift in its cryptocurrency strategy. This move is a key development following the collapse of major crypto projects in Singapore, including Three Arrows Capital and Terraform Labs. Despite global regulatory challenges and uncertain market demand in Asia, Singapore's decision marks a bold step in revitalizing and reshaping its position in the global cryptocurrency landscape. XRP dips, unraveling the factors behind the decline. Let's take a look. XRP has experienced its worst weekly performance since August 2023, so this was last Friday. With a significant 9.5% drop, underperforming the broader crypto market, the decline was influenced by a debunked rumor about a BlackRock XRP ETF and subsequent market liquidations alongside whale distribution changes. Technical analysis indicates XRP could face further declines or potential recovery, depending on its ability to overcome key resistance levels. Cryptocurrency lobbying in the U.S. grows exponentially. The U.S. is making its mark in Washington, D.C., with record-breaking lobbying expenditures. The industry has already crossed the $20 million mark. Coinbase allocated a substantial $7.5 million towards its lobbying efforts during this period. That's a lot. For lobbying in the U.S., it's quite a lot. Snoop Dogg quits smoking weed, and the crypto community doubts his new path. Here are the bets. The decentralized finance community is skeptical about the validity of Snoop Dogg's confessions. As a result, certain crypto enthusiasts are currently betting their coins on the potential outcome of this uncertain situation. Crypto gamblers are betting on whether or not he'll actually be able to stay away from weed or not. which I think is hilarious. Wisdom Tree updates Bitcoin ETF application. Wisdom Tree has amended its Form S1 prospectus with the SEC for a spot Bitcoin ETF, indicating ongoing efforts to launch the product. The proposed ETF, to be traded under the ticker BTCW, will have Coinbase Custody Trust as its custodian, ensuring secure management of its Bitcoin assets. Despite regulatory delays, industry analysts maintain a positive outlook with a 90% likelihood of SEC approval for a spot Bitcoin ETF by January 2024. Uh, let's see, where were we? Ukraine's officials ready to tackle financial crimes. Ukrainian officials have received training in crypto investigations. Stablecoin issuer Tether recently collaborated with Ukrainian and Israeli law enforcement agencies. Ukrainian officials are taking a significant step toward enhancing the country's response to financial crimes involving cryptocurrencies. That's good. BRICS de-dollarization agenda will speed up in 2024. We'll see how that goes after news that'll come in later. BRICS is set to accelerate its de-dollarization. Sun on one side of my page here. BRICS is set to accelerate its de-dollarization agenda in 2024. Anticipated U.S. dollar decline and the potential introduction of a BRICS currency are key drivers. Formal expansion of the bloc and a recovering oil market further support de-dollarization efforts. They're trying to bring in a lot of oil countries into BRICS as well, so that should help them in that goal. Elon Musk faces SEC's request for Twitter testimony. The SEC is seeking a court order to compel Elon Musk's testimony regarding his Twitter acquisition. Musk contests the SEC's authority, arguing he has already complied with past testimonies. The case highlights tensions between Musk's business actions and regulatory oversight. Texas State Securities Board accuses GS Partners of fraud. The Texas State Securities Board has accused companies under the GS umbrella of fraudulent practices, multi-jurisdictional warnings against GS Partners. Yep, they found a network of companies operating under the GS brand based in Germany and they accused them of engaging in fraudulent activities. The dollar is going down in 2024. 3 reasons why: BRICS and oil and the other thing. Crypto gaming industry records tremendous success. The crypto gaming sector recorded a massive success in October with unique daily wallets hitting 1 million, battling the dark side of the success of the gaming sector. Some of the major players in the crypto gaming space are grappling with challenges posed by an upsurge in automated bots. Connecting crypto wallets to blockchain games has become a daily ritual for a considerable number of users, reminiscent of late 2021 and early 2022, when games like Splinterlands, Alien Worlds, and Axie Infinity propelled user counts past the 1 million DAU, so daily active users mark. A similar spike occurred in April of the same year, according to DappRadar data. Gaming is becoming an interesting thing. South Korean crypto traders power the altcoin bull run, CryptoQuant report. Part of the recent rapid rise in prices for altcoins can be attributed to South Korean traders who are known for their high risk-taking habits, which frequently create speculative frenzies in tokens. Upbit, which accounts for more than 85% of Korean trade volume, increased by 82% in October, compared to September, with trading volume increasing from $32.8 billion to $59.8 billion. While altcoin activity has increased on South Korean exchanges, Bitcoin has retained its global dominance. Bitcoin's market share increased from 49% to 53%. Dogecoin futures crossed the 7 billion Doge mark. Bulls rejoice, bears beware. Trading interest in Dogecoin bets increased by more than 40% in the last 24 hours, reaching its highest level since April. The total number of unsettled futures bets, or open interest, has risen to be higher than 7 billion Doge tokens. At current prices, these positions are worth $600 million. Binance accounts for nearly half of all bets, with $275 million in futures holdings, followed by Bybit at $134 million and OKX at $85 million. MasterCard executive reveals why CBDCs can't take off yet. MasterCard's blockchain lead Ashok Venkateswaran expressed skepticism about the widespread adoption of central bank digital currencies or CBDCs, citing consumer comfort with current money forms as a major hurdle. The company's involvement in CBDCs includes its CBDC partner program and a recent successful pilot in Hong Kong, yet Venkateswaran highlights the complexities and infrastructure challenges in integrating CBDCs into existing financial systems. MasterCard maintains a cautious approach, emphasizing the need for a clear purpose and robust infrastructure before fully embracing CBDCs, with a focus on the specific needs and payment system robustness of each country. Polygon gas fees spike amid ordinals inspired craze. Polygon gas fees have shot through the roof amid a spike caused by the activities of a new ordinals token. Lessons from Bitcoin ordinals frenzy and fee surge. The surge in gas fees on Ethereum's Layer 2 solution, Polygon, proved to be a significant event, experiencing an extraordinary increase of over 1,000% and reaching a peak of 10 cents. This surge was primarily attributed to heightened transaction activity related to the minting of tokens known as POLs, inspired by the Ordinals protocol. Polygon founder Sandeep Nailwal expressed his surprise at the heightened network activity, speculating that it could be linked to the launch of a new Polygon-based non-fungible token collection. 1,000% surge. That's crazy. Russian ruble surpasses USD in astonishing performance. In November, the Russian ruble has surprisingly surged by 12% against the US dollar, defying economic sanctions. The ruble faced challenges recently but gained strength as uncertainty about the Federal Reserve's interest rate policy grew. Russia, a BRICS member, employed strategies like suspending US dollar exchanges and active currency trades to support the ruble. And this meant a lot of gold as well. Like it's been a whole thing. It will probably collapse. It's fine. It's like being in the house on fire and saying this is fine. Unisat Wallet launches developer services with advanced Bitcoin and ordinal tools. Unisat Wallet has launched a developer service enabling community developers to explore Bitcoin and ordinals through various APIs. Developers can request a free plan API key for building wallet applications, browsers, and more, with tiered rate limits for API calls. The service paves the way for innovative applications in blockchain technology, including automated trading robots, ordinals, and BRC20 block explorers. Hi, USDT 7233. Nice to have you with us. Criticisms mount as renowned attorney highlights SEC's crypto oversight. Attorney Gerard Skimeka, criticizes SEC Chairman Gensler's handling of crypto regulation, citing a lack of clarity and consistency. Skimeka highlights the SEC's approach to companies like Ripple Labs and contrasts it with their response to alleged fraudulent entities. He questions why the SEC focuses on certain cases like LBRY and Ripple, while potentially overlooking others such as the bankrupt FTX. ENS founder challenges unstoppable domains over patent, threatens legal action. ENS founder Nick Johnson publicly urges unstoppable domains to revoke a patent awarded in January, claiming it's based on ENS's existing innovations without new contributions. Johnson highlights the clash between ENS's open source approach and Unstoppable Domain's proprietary patent, seeking a legally binding pledge to drop the patent. That could become a legal battle otherwise. Apple shuts down advertising on X, and so do many others afterwards. Apple has paused all advertising on X, formerly Twitter, following Elon Musk's endorsement of quote unquote anti Semitic conspiracy theories and inappropriate ad placements. The decision mirrors a trend of major corporations like IBM reassessing their advertising strategies on platforms with controversial content moderation policies. This move could signal a broader industry response, potentially leading to an advertising exodus from X and impacting social media platform revenue and content moderation practices. Hi, Blogski. Nice to have you with us. I wouldn't click on that link for anybody in chat. I don't know what that is. Doesn't seem safe to me. BitGo CEO foresees SEC rejection of Bitcoin ETF proposals. Huh. BitGo CEO Mike Belshi predicts the US SEC will likely reject spot Bitcoin ETF applications, citing concerns over the integration of exchange and custody services in the crypto industry. Belshi highlights risks associated with Coinbase as a custody partner for potential ETFs, emphasizing the need for a clear separation between exchange and custody functions to prevent market manipulation. Despite industry optimism and regulated crypto custody providers like Anchorage, BitGo, and Coinbase, the SEC's historical reluctance and focus on customer protection and market manipulation risks continue to impede Bitcoin ETF approvals. Sam Altman ousted as OpenAI CEO. Company faces new leadership direction. Sam Altman has been fired as CEO of OpenAI, with the board citing a lack of candor in his communications and a loss of confidence in his leadership. Mira Murati, OpenAI's chief technology officer, is appointed as interim CEO, while Greg Brockman steps down as chairman but remains as president. Despite the leadership of Hevel, Microsoft, a major investor in OpenAI, continues its support, emphasizing commitment to the new interim leadership and the company's future. And that was not the end of it, for this weekend was crazy at OpenAI. We'll see more later. Cardano's Lace wallet unveils cutting-edge 1.7 update. Lace Cardano Lite Wallet version 1.7 introduces enhanced multi-staking options. The update improves user insights for optimal staking pool management. The wallet now has improved integration with Ledger devices and dApps. Republic unveils innovative Republic Note on Avalanche Network. Another reason for AVAX to go up, by the way. Republic has shifted from traditional networks like Ethereum to use the Avalanche blockchain for its new digital asset, the Republic Note. The Republic Note, valued at 36 cents, introduces a novel method for paying dividends within the Republic's investment infrastructure. The selection of Avalanche is based on its speed, environmental sustainability, and adaptability, with a dedicated subnet planned for 2024 to enhance the Republic Note. Ripple's AMM launch promises a new era for XRP Ledger utility. Ripple's automated market maker on the XRP Ledger aims to boost XRP's utility and demand. Jasmine Cooper, Ripple's lead product manager, discussed the AMM's role in XRP's future. The AMM's success depends on increasing XRP demand through incentivized liquidity pools. The SEC continues to postpone decisions on Bitcoin ETF proposals. This was the most annoying thing this weekend, by the way. The SEC has postponed decisions on several high-profile cryptocurrency ETF proposals, including those from Franklin Templeton, Hashdex, and Global X, setting new deadlines into 2024. Amidst these delays, BlackRock has filed for a spot Ether ETF, indicating a growing interest in expanding beyond Bitcoin ETFs into the Ether market. IMF, Biden and Xi meeting is the key to world cooperation, according to the International Monetary Fund. Biden and Xi's meeting at the APEC summit marks a significant step in strengthening global cooperation and tackling shared challenges. Renewed US China dialogue positively influences World Trade Organization reforms and regional conflicts, highlighting the interdependence of global politics and economies. The US China collaboration on IMF resource enhancement signifies a move towards a more inclusive global financial system. Right. Whatever. Jump Trading Group and Wormhole part ways in a challenging crypto market. Jump Trading Group has parted ways with Wormhole, a crypto project from its investment arm, amid a broader scale back of its cryptocurrency-related operations. Several key Wormhole personnel, including the CEO and COO, have left Jump to run Wormhole independently, less than 2 years after Jump's $320 million investment in the project. Wow, there's a lot going on there. A lot of back and forth, it seems. Outside of just money, it's also like people switching. Shibarium soars to the top 5 in blockchain networks on now nodes. Shibarium, the blockchain network dedicated to the Shiba Inu ecosystem, has become among the top 5 most active networks. Shibarium's success is attributed to strategic planning and technological innovation, particularly after the Shibarium RPC node launch. The introduction of the Shibarium RPC full node in September was a significant milestone. See, Polygon 2.0 white paper summary roadmap for poll integration, POL. So the blockchain landscape is constantly in flux. Polygon has been at the forefront of this innovation, and its latest development, the Polygon 2.0 protocol, is setting a new standard. And its latest development, the Polygon 2.0 protocol, is setting a new standard. The protocol's defining feature is the introduction of the poll token, as detailed by blockchain experts Mikhailo Bielich, Sandeep Newell, Amit Chaudhary, and Wenxuan Deng. The Polygon 2.0 white paper is a roadmap for integrating Poll as the essential currency of an expansive network designed to facilitate value exchange over the internet with unprecedented efficiency. The white paper's vision is clear: to create a seamless environment for value to move as freely as information does in the digital age, fostering new, more democratic forms of social and economic structures. With Poll, Polygon envisions bridging the current gaps in blockchain technology to offer a more scalable, secure, and user-friendly platform. The document compares the proposed token with the foundational technologies of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other blockchain giants, highlighting Poll's potential to enhance the ecosystem's capabilities. They've been working on this for a long time. Nocturne unveils private account protocol on Ethereum mainnet. So Nocturne has launched its first mainnet version, introducing a protocol for private accounts on Ethereum using stealth addresses for enhanced transaction privacy. The protocol was initially compatible with specific DeFi tokens and plans future expansions using zero-knowledge technology to broaden its privacy features and smart contract compatibility. Sam Altman kicked out of OpenAI. Cue the consequences. So he was unexpectedly ousted as CEO of OpenAI. Microsoft, a key investor in OpenAI, reassured stability in their partnership. Altman's departure suggests internal conflicts and potential new AI ventures. So that's what people started thinking the next day of when he was let go from OpenAI. SEC hints at a preference for cash-based Bitcoin ETFs. The SEC is reportedly influencing the structure of spot Bitcoin ETFs, favoring cash creations over in-kind methods. This preference for cash creation is a significant departure from the traditional approach of using assets like Bitcoin for ETF shares. Cash creation would simplify transactions, potentially enhancing privacy and reducing restrictions in the ETF ecosystem. And it's why a lot of people still expect the SEC to move positively forward on Bitcoin ETFs. It's because they see them taking the time to say they want um, in cash transactions as saying that's a way forward for them. Why Elizabeth Warren's crypto bill is getting so much support. Elizabeth Warren's Digital Asset Anti-Money Laundering Act aims to regulate cryptocurrencies to prevent scams, especially those targeting seniors. The bill addresses the issue of cryptocurrency's lack of transparency and traceability, particularly after being mixed, making it challenging to trace scams. Cybersecurity expert Steve Weisman supports the bill, emphasizing the need for crypto to follow the same anti-money laundering laws as fiat currency. Multinational efforts to recover $100 million stolen from Poloniex. Hackers' identity confirmed, intensifying the hunt for justice in the Poloniex $100 million theft. Global cooperation among law enforcement agencies signals the seriousness of cryptocurrency cybercrime. $10 million white hat reward offers the hacker a chance at redemption before the November 25th deadline. Better take it, otherwise they're going to get them. Binance takes security measures, delists 15 trading pairs. Binance delists 15 trading pairs prioritizing security. XRP, ADA, and SOL face short-term price declines. Experts foresee long-term potential for these cryptocurrencies. So they delisted 15 Russian ruble trading pairs, which makes sense as they have left the Russian region. Fidelity joins BlackRock in the Ethereum ETF race. According to a recent filing with the SEC, Fidelity has joined BlackRock in the Ethereum ETF race. That there are regulatory hurdles and market dynamics at play here, so we'll see how that goes. Front-end attacks on Trader Joe's DEX and Spooky Swap platforms. Front-end attacks rattle DeFi. Trader Joe's breach underscores vulnerability risks. Joe Token's 12% drop hints at market correction amid security concerns. DeFi security struggles continue in 2023 with recurring front-end cyber attacks. Hi, Capose78. Nice to have you with us. It's been a crazy Monday already, hasn't it? WorldCoin token slides amid CEO shuffle at OpenAI. So, of course, WorldCoin starts dropping. The WorldCoin token has experienced a massive 14% drop following the exit of former OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. WLD's resilience amid criticism and government scrutiny doesn't seem that high with him leaving or being kicked out. Avalanche's partnership with Republic elevates AVAX ecosystem, or AVAX ecosystem. Avalanche's partnership with Republic enhances AVAX's market presence. Republic No offers exposure to Web3 giants, boosting AVAX interest. AVAX's price dip reflects short-term volatility amid long-term optimism. And we saw that as it came back up the next day. BIS report reveals the vulnerabilities in stablecoins. A recent BIS report has revealed that stablecoins lack the mechanism to ensure stability. Stablecoins in the regulated market. So they're saying that they aren't actually capable of staying stable, which is an interesting way of looking at it. It almost sounds like a philosophical question, the way they talk about it. Cardano founder woos ex-OpenAI titan Sam Altman to build decentralized LLM. This is one of the things that was supposed to be happening during the weekend. The founder of Cardano has invited Sam Altman, the former CEO of OpenAI or ChatGPT, to work on a decentralized large language model on the partner chain. Also, three prominent researchers at OpenAI, Jacob Pachoki, Alexander Madry, and Simon Sador, are said to have left following the resignation of CEO Sam Altman and President Greg Brockman. Since Sam left OpenAI, WorldCoin's token WLD fell more than 13% on the day to $1.91, according to CoinMarketCap. This craziness is not over. Ethereum's ETH Boy NFT makes history again with over $390,000 sale. ETHBoy, an NFT depicting Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin as a jester, sold for 200 ETH or $392,308. The sale surpassed its initial 2020 auction price, highlighting the NFT market's fluctuating value. Despite optional creator fees in the current market, the new owner paid a 10% royalty, benefiting its creators and the initial owner. FTX creditors' claims are now worth up to 65 cents on the dollar. So there's movement there. Decentralized exchange DYDX drains $9 million from insurance amid alleged attack. DYDX, a decentralized exchange, used $9 million from its insurance fund to cover user liquidations after a 43% drop in the Finance token. Founder Antonio Giuliano suggests the event was a targeted attack and potential market manipulation, leading to a significant review of risk parameters. Despite the insurance fund hit, DYDX assures users funds are safe and increases margin requirements for less liquid markets to prevent future incidents. Hi, Binance user 9ED93. Nice to have you with us. Coinbase boosts USDC interest rate to 6% amid falling supply. Coinbase has increased the interest rate on USD coin holdings to 6% for the first $250,000, with a variable rate among users and a reduced rate for higher amounts. The move comes amidst regulatory challenges from the SEC and a significant decline in USDC's circulating supply, partly due to its exposure to the US banking crisis. Nigerian fintech firm Paystack realigns operations, 33 employees to depart. Paystack, a Nigerian fintech startup, is downsizing its workforce in Europe and the UAE, affecting 33 employees to refocus on expansion within Africa. The restructuring is part of a strategy to localize costs and enhance customer proximity, with no impact on team members in Nigeria and other African markets. CEO Shola Akinlade commits to supporting transitioning employees with severance packages, including salary, equity vesting, and extended health insurance. Web3 Watch, innovations and movements in the digital space. The Rise of Blus, an animated movie funded by Nouns DAO, showcases a new transparent funding model in film production, with a crew from Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Web3 gaming sees a surge in network migrations to more efficient platforms, and Bitcoin ordinals experience a significant resurgence in popularity and usage. It's interesting. Nostr Assets ground temporarily halts deposits amidst surging user activity. So it's Nostr Assets ground. Nostr Assets, operating on the Lightning Network, has temporarily suspended its deposit function for the third time this month due to an overwhelming increase in user activity. The surge in user engagement is largely attributed to the anticipation of the upcoming Fair Mint launch and the high value of the project's previous airdrop, necessitating immediate infrastructure maintenance and upgrades. They weren't ready for that. Polkadot marks pivotal transformation, a new era under Web3 Foundation's leadership. Polkadot is set to undergo a significant transformation with the introduction of Agile Core Time, replacing parachain slot auctions to allow developers more flexible access to block space. The Web3 Foundation, under new CEO Fabian Gump, is launching a $45 million grants program to foster ecosystem growth and move towards a more decentralized protocol structure. That's interesting. Why is Finance plummeting so much today? YFI, Finance, experienced a significant drop, plunging over 35% in 24 hours. The decline led to over $4.7 million in liquidations, with contract positions once reaching $160 million. Trading data shows a decrease in both trade volume and open interest for YFI, so Finance. The downturn reflects the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies and highlights the unpredictability of the crypto market. Justin Sun, Poloniex hacker's identity has been confirmed. Justin Sun confirmed the identity of the hacker responsible for the $114 million Poloniex hack. International law enforcement from China, the USA, and Russia are involved in the case. Sun offered a $10 million white hat reward if the stolen funds are returned by November 25th. That's in 5 days. We'll see if it happens. European Central Bank president says Europe should establish its SEC. BitGet introduces KYC bonus to enhance crypto security. BitGet's KYC bonus boosts crypto security. BitGet's strategic exit from Hong Kong license. KYC enhances trust in BitGet exchange. Interesting. YFI plummets 45% amidst allegations of market manipulation. The DYDX team alleges targeted attack on Wi-Fi market. Liquidations spike amidst fear and uncertainty. Ripple's role in advancing CBDC initiatives worldwide. CBDCs enable affordable and financial services for all, regardless of income or prior banking ties. Ripple's global CBDC partnerships are shaping a more inclusive financial landscape. Legal challenges aside, Ripple's contributions to CBDC innovation are being recognized. BitThumb's ex-chairman faces 8-year prison term in crypto scandal. Transparency is crucial for industry trust, is the main point from that. Okay, we knew that. Or hopefully you guys did too. I knew that. XRP Ledger marks major milestone with 84 million closure. The XRP Ledger has achieved a significant milestone by closing its 84 millionth ledger. Recent updates to the XRP Ledger introducing the XLS49D and XLS51D standards and enhancing user functionalities by allowing multiple signer lists for accounts. The collaboration between PeerSyst and Ripple has led to the launch of version 2 of the EVM sidechain on the DevNet. Okay. Ethereum co-founder faces accusations of encouraging fraudulent activity. Mr. Huber accused Joseph Lubin, Ethereum's co-founder, of encouraging investors to create multiple pseudonymous identities to secretly invest large amounts in Ethereum, potentially constituting fraudulent behavior. Former Ethereum developer Christoph Jensch defended Lubin, stating that using multiple identities is standard in crypto for privacy, and Ethereum was marketed as a commodity, not a security. Greenidge Generation settled major debt and sells SC mining facility to Niding, New York Dig, I guess. Greenidge Generation Holdings has cleared $21.8 million in secured debt and sold its Spartanburg SC, I think that's South Carolina, Bitcoin mining site to NYDIG. The company still has $72 million in unsecured debt due in 2026, but the deal brings a $6.2 million cash payout and retains land for potential expansion. NYDIG, a comprehensive Bitcoin service provider, enhances its mining infrastructure with this acquisition amidst a challenging financial period for crypto miners. Strike partners with Checkout.com to enhance Bitcoin accessibility in over 65 countries. Strike, a cryptocurrency app, has partnered with Checkout.com to allow Bitcoin purchases in over 65 countries, enhancing global access to digital currency. The collaboration aims to simplify the transition between fiat currencies and Bitcoin, offering users a direct way to buy Bitcoin using debit cards. This move comes during a period of instability in the crypto market, with Strike emphasizing its commitments to Bitcoin and regulatory compliance amidst the industry's challenges. Hi, Binance user 9ED93. Nice to have you with us. Privacy cryptocurrencies suffers a major decline. Privacy cryptocurrencies have enjoyed reduced interest, which has affected the wider crypto market. Signs of resilience and recovery in the market. So let's see. In 2023, the cryptocurrency market has seen significant gains across various sectors, with one notable exception being privacy-centric crypto tokens. Over the past 10 months, the market value of the privacy cryptocurrency sector has dropped by $440 million, reflecting a downturn since January. As of Saturday, November 18th, 2023, the market value of the privacy-focused cryptocurrency economy stood just above $6 billion, marking a 0.6% decline against the US dollar in the last 24 hours. So let's look at some of these. Examining individual tokens, Monero XMR, the top privacy crypto asset in terms of market capitalization, had a trading value of $170.90 per XMR in January. Presently, XMR's trading value has dropped to $160.68 per coin. Similarly, Zcash, ZEC, was valued at $45.67 per coin 10 months earlier, but has since decreased to $28.92. Dash, ranking third in the privacy crypto market, had a value of $50.66 per unit back then, and today it's $30 per coin, so it lost $20 in value. Exploring further, Google Trends data reveals that interest in privacy coins predates Bitcoin, peaking in 2004. In December 2017, the search term privacy crypto scored 80 out of 100, indicating a high level of interest. However, since then, the interest has not returned to that peak and has significantly dropped to a score of 7 out of 100 in November 2023. So instead of 80 out of 100, it's 7 out of 100 now. That is insanely bad for this specific portion of the market. Discussions about privacy coins on social platforms like X, formerly Twitter, and Reddit have also seen a decrease compared to previous years. Despite a $440 million decline in the past 10 months, the privacy coin sector has shown improvement since November 2022. At that time, the total market capitalization of all privacy coins was $4.65 billion, indicating a resurgence of $1.35 billion in market value in the privacy coin sector over 12 months. The trends in the privacy crypto market highlight a complex landscape where the value of these tokens has struggled against their counterparts. Interesting. We'll see how that goes. South Korea's BTC in premium trades above the average price. South Korea's BTC premium has made a resurgence, trading above the average price. Opportunities and challenges for traders in the market. Recent data from CryptoCompare.com reveals that on Saturday, November 18th, 2023, the Korean won accounted for 3.53% of all Bitcoin trades in the previous 24 hours. Bitcoin trades involving the Korean won constituted 3.53% of the total, while Ethereum trades paired with the won represented about 1.65%. Additionally, 8.78% of Solana Sol trades were conducted with Korean won. This surge in trading volumes highlights South Korea's emergence as a significant force in the crypto market. Upbit, one of South Korea's major exchanges, alone processed $2.62 billion in trades in the last 24 hours, making it the 11th largest crypto exchange by volume over the weekend. Notably, Dogecoin trades with the Korean won comprised 3.06%, and the won also made up 19.77% of Avalanche trades on Saturday. That's where it's coming from. If you want to see anything going up this past week, it's probably because South Koreans invested in it. OpenAI's turmoil deepens as employees tender resignation letters. The turmoil at OpenAI has deepened with more employees submitting their resignation letters, disagreements, and uncertainty amid CEO shuffle. It's pretty dramatic. Still dramatic, and it's started Friday, right? So there's still things going on there. Ethereum unveils game-changing account abstraction and rollups. Introduces account abstraction to rollups, enhancing user and smart contract integration. ETH Foundation's Alexander Forstadt proposes native account abstraction, a first for EVM rollups. Ethereum's account abstraction aims for seamless layer 1 and layer 2 ecosystem unification. So you can't even tell which ecosystem you're on. That would be interesting. Deaton advises XRP investors to post misleading BlackRock report. Attorney John Deaton offered financial advice to XRP investors following a false report about a BlackRock XRP ETF, leading to market fluctuations. Deaton suggested buying XRP before major announcements and selling during the hype, as seen with the SEC versus Ripple case, to profit from FOMO, the fear of missing out. Since Judge Forrest's ruling, he emphasized informed investment decisions in the volatile crypto market, revealing his strategy of not buying XRP. Interesting. Binance faces staffing shakeup as anti-crime experts exit. Binance's anti-crime division faces upheaval with the departure of key figures Jennifer Hicks and Suleiman M. The exits are part of a wider trend of senior staff leaving Binance, including heads of product in Asia Pacific. Similar high-level staffing changes are also happening in other crypto firms like Coinbase. There's a lot going on in this space. It's pretty crazy. Egypt, India abandon dollar completely. Egypt and India are discussing abandoning the US dollar in their trade relations, aligning with BRICS de-dollarization efforts. This move is part of a broader strategy within the BRICS bloc to reduce global dependency on the US dollar. Egypt joined the initiative following its invitation to the BRICS 2023 summit, aiming to settle trade in local currencies. Isn't Egypt's defense very much linked to the US? Just wondering. Why BRICS currency would outshine the US dollar. The BRICS alliance is set to introduce a new currency that could rival the US dollar in global transactions. This move is part of an effort to reduce global dependence on the US dollar, particularly among developing countries. The BRICS currency, comprising a basket of member countries' national currencies and links to exchange commodities, promises stability and attractiveness. They're throwing a lot in with China. That's never gone well for anybody who's done that before, actually. Weekly crypto highlights from Asia. Hong Kong Legislative Council member proposes including Bitcoin in the investor migration program and categorizing it as a financial product. Singapore's MAS focuses on stablecoins and CBDCs as part of the future financial ecosystem, highlighting their potential over traditional cryptocurrencies. South Korea seeks an 8-year prison term for Bitham's former chairman, while Taiwanese authorities prosecute a couple for running a crypto mining farm and stealing electricity. Oh, man. James Wallace praises CBDCs for financial inclusion. James Wallace of Ripple highlights the potential of central bank digital currencies in promoting global financial inclusion, especially for those with low incomes and without bank ties. CBDCs offer a cost-effective way to provide financial services and enable individuals to build credit histories, which can aid in business growth. Ripple is actively involved in over 20 CBDC initiatives worldwide, including significant projects in Georgia, Bhutan, Palau, Montenegro, Colombia, and Hong Kong. Interesting. I did not expect that. There were more than I expected. Let's put it that way. DYDX increases margin and implements trade restrictions. Decentralized crypto exchange DYDX has implemented new measures, including increasing margin requirements on less liquid markets to mitigate trading risks. This action follows a significant trading incident that led to the liquidation of positions worth nearly $38 million, mainly targeting YFI token long positions. The exchange used $9 million from its insurance fund to cover users' losses and has now banned highly profitable trading strategies to prevent similar attacks. That was a quote, by the way. Narayan set to unveil evidence against Ethereum founders. Steven Narayan, former Ethereum consultant, accuses Ethereum founders of fraud. The lawsuit of Narayan aims to expose alleged dishonest practices in Ethereum's development. Narayan's claims prompt discussions on the legitimacy and decentralization of Ethereum. Neurath alleges that fraudulent activities were involved in the early stages of Ethereum's development. He argues that his forthcoming lawsuit will bring these issues to light, challenging the narrative of Ethereum's origin and its claims of decentralization. This has sparked a debate within the crypto community, with various experts and enthusiasts weighing in. Heidi from Crypto Tips, in a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, questioned the legitimacy of Neurath's claims, citing a lack of supporting evidence. Nureyev responded, asserting that his accusations would be substantiated in the upcoming legal proceedings, not in the initial disclosure. He maintains that the evidence will reveal dishonest practices by Ethereum's founders. In a further twist, Nureyev has accused U.S. government agencies, including the FBI, SEC, and Department of Justice, of fabricating evidence against him. He claims this alleged government misconduct has been documented and publicly accessible, suggesting a broader conspiracy against him. So there's been a lot of debate about this. There's a lot going on there. Looks like it's going to be a bit of a calm Monday today. Oh, hi, Binance user DE44D. Waking up over there. Getting some things done. Bitcoin network fees soar by 1,400% amid ordinals craze in November. Yeah, we saw that. That was nuts. Bitcoin network fees skyrocketed by nearly 1,400% in November, driven by a surge in demand for ordinals inscriptions, which allows for NFT creation on the Bitcoin blockchain. Ordinals have dominated Bitcoin transactions with over 41 million inscriptions, significantly impacting the network's fee structure and increasing the overall transaction costs. And it's like we've seen some ordinals inscriptions where we're not even sure what they're doing, and they're just wasting time and money on the whole thing. It's been kind of upsetting a few people as I've seen online. Elon Musk confirms 25% of XAI owned by X Corp shareholders. Elon Musk announces X Corp investors hold a 25% stake in new AI venture XAI. XAI, established by Musk, integrates AI technology with social media platforms. Musk's strategic move signals a shift towards unified business operations. Pro-Bitcoin Javier Milei wins Argentina presidential election, and Bitcoin surges with this news. On November 19th, Argentina's Bitcoin-friendly Javier Milei triumphed over his opponent Sergio Massa in the country's presidential runoff election. According to Bloomberg, with nearly 90% of the votes tabulated, Milei has 56% of the vote to Massa's 44%. Milei has been outspoken in his criticism of the country's central bank, describing it as a scam and a mechanism by which politicians cheat the good people with inflationary tax. I believe he's also called it things such as bullshit and other words to that effect. He's very flamboyant in that sense. Like, he's very outspoken. Binance user 0B8BC, nice to have you with us. So Malay is actually a very big change in South America, because they tend to vote for socialists that just put the country in debt, don't pay back the debt, and then give up and try again, doing the exact same thing and making the exact same mistakes over and over again. So him being a libertarian is a very big change for a country in South America, especially Argentina, that has over 20 years of just bad economic policy over and over again, especially central bank currency strategies. Ripple regains an upper hand in the SEC lawsuit. Back to Hinman documents. So the Ripple market tide changed again over the weekend as investors saw a calm on the XRP versus SEC news, leading some investors to assume the regulatory arm is on the losing end. XRP's market demand remains influenced by market commentary on the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit and updates from remedies related to discovery. Ripple's legal chief, Stuart Alderoty, goes after the SEC with the Hinman documents that remain a pain to the regulatory committee to date. Germany's bold move to crush BRICS dominance. Will the digital euro work? Global traditional finances are moving to adopt the new world order. As BRICS moves to release its collective currency, Germany is on the heels to launch its CBDC within the same time frame. As it stands, the digital euro does not have the support of many EU legislators as they find the CBDC unnecessary. While over 150 countries are currently developing CBDCs, only a few have launched pilot frameworks as of 2023. BRICS could issue its own currency before the digital euro is available on the international market. The BRICS currency will be backed by gold. At least that's the official stance. I actually don't trust any of the governments involved in that to actually do that in a way that's transparent and makes any sense. So we'll see how this goes because BRICS is going to expand before they actually move on that as well. So we'll see if they can actually find some consensus. Why is the crypto market up today? BTC sits above $37,000. Crypto markets are up today following the negative weekend effects. The surge is largely attributed to pro Bitcoin's advocate Javier Milei winning Argentina's elections. Traditional and DeFi markets stand at the mercy of Fed minutes this week as U.S. markets break for Thanksgiving on Thursday, but will return for half a day on Friday. Michael Saylor says that Bitcoin is the future of Argentina's economy as he congratulates Javier Milei. Sam Altman and Brockman joined Microsoft for AI advances. So the ones that were kicked out of, well, let's go into more detail on this real quick. Microsoft hires former OpenAI executives Sam Altman and Greg Brockman. They're going to lead a new sophisticated AI research team within Microsoft. Microsoft's decision reflects a deeper commitment to advancing AI technology. And they don't want them going to the competition because Microsoft was a big investor in OpenAI. Crypto security boosted with MasterCard FeedZai partnership. MasterCard announces a partnership with FeedZai, a tech firm specializing in AI-driven financial crime detection to combat cryptocurrency fraud. The collaboration integrates FeedZai's technology with MasterCard's CipherTrace Armada platform for enhanced real-time fraud detection in crypto transactions. The focus extends to preventing money laundering and misuse of mule accounts in cryptocurrency dealings. However, Milei wins Argentina's presidency, eyes Bitcoin shift. However, Milei, known for his pro-Bitcoin stance, won Argentina's presidency. His victory with La Libertad Avanza signals a shift towards cryptocurrency in Argentina. Milei's policies may position Argentina as a leader in global crypto adoption. First, he wants dollarization to get away from the peso that they have that is killing their economy because inflation is too high. They can go up 100% in a day or something. It's crazy. Like the inflation number can jump up a lot every day. Shibarium introduces donate feature. Well, that's cool. Shibarium Donate empowers users to support validators. FAQ page enhances user experience in Shibarium. SHIB price at critical levels, potential trend shifts. Let's see what happens next. Shiba Inu developer uncovers token forgery scam. Oh no. What is it? Okay. Satoshi Kusama, Shiba Inu's chief developer, called out a scam involving fake SHI stablecoin and treat tokens. An individual spread false information about these tokens, attracting over 5,000 views to their article. Kusama quickly responded, debunking the misinformation and clarifying the reality of the situation. Nice. I'm having issues with my browser, it looks like. Binance CEO CZ joins Bitcoin's fourth halving countdown. Bitcoin's halving countdown fuels price surge expectations. US Bitcoin ETF anticipation drives bullish market sentiments. 135-day countdown triggers speculation and potential market volatility. That makes sense. All right. Philippines pioneers tokenized treasury bonds with $270 million sale. Tokenized bonds boost investor interest, raising $270 million in the Philippines. Digitalization roadmap aims to reduce risks and costs in bond transactions. Regional trend: Philippines joins neighbors in embracing tokenization. Nice. Rising BTC and exchange wallets may indicate market pause. Investor sentiment remains strong with Bitcoin's gains. Watch for further BTC accumulation and its impact. We're expecting some stuff to happen there. And then last article for today is, let's see if I can scroll. New era for Japan with Osaka Digital Exchange debut. Oh, Osaka. Cool. Japan is set to open its first digital securities exchange, Osaka Digital Exchange, next month. Tokyo-based Ichigo preparing to issue property-backed securities worth about $27.1 million. Kenedix also slated to issue significant property-backed securities on December 25th. That's nuts. Some cool things happening there. Let's go to CoinMarketCap and take a look at the market today to see what's going on. So, all right, there's a lot going on. The global crypto market cap is $1.42 trillion. On Friday, I believe it was $1.38 trillion. So this is a 1.93% increase over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $44.48 billion, which marks a 19.09% increase. The total volume in DeFi is currently $4.72 billion. That's 10.6% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is now $39.69 billion, which is 89.24% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 51.29%, a decrease of 0.08% over the day. The fear and greed index is at 74. It has gone back up from 71. Bitcoin is at $37,383.46 right now, up 2.62% in the last 24 hours, up 1.62% in the last 7 days. Ethereum's ETH is at $2,037.01, up 4.41% in the last 24 hours and down 2.71% in the last 7 days. Let's go look at the biggest losers first. Kaspa KAS is down 4.26% in the last 24 hours, but still up 61.53% in the last 7 days. Unised Leo is down 3.29% in the last 24 hours and down 4.10% in the last 7 days. FTT, the FTX token, is down 2.13% in the last 24 hours to $3.28, also down 2.89% in the last 7 days. DYDX, ETH DYDX is down 1.37% in the last 24 hours and up 1.50% in the last 7 days to $3.19. Just a funny thing here, though, that's all of the ones that are down more than 1%. There are 4 of them. That's it. Now, the winners today, SNX from Synthetics is up 17.05% in the last 24 hours to $3.49. It's also up 25.92% in the last 7 days. The Near Protocol's Near token is up 16.44% in the last 24 hours and up 23.19% in the last 7 days to $2.13. Then we have FET, or Fetch.ai, which is up 15.24% in the last 24 hours, 37.65% in the last 7 days, to 55 cents 79. It is in the top 100 now, which was not the case last time I checked. Lido Dow LDO is up 14.13% in the last 24 hours, up 6.45% in the last 7 days, to $2.57. And by the way, those are the top four winners. They're above 14%. The top four losers are above 1% down. 14% up, 1% down. So no wonder we're in the greed right now. That's pretty clear. H bar from Hedera is up 10.71% in the last 24 hours, 10.11% in the last 7 days, to 6 cents 729. Algo from Algorand is up 10.10% in the last 24 hours to 14 cents 78. It's also up 6.03 in the last 7 days. Ape from ApeCoin is up 9.93% in the last 24 hours to $1.47. Gala is up 9.83% in the last 24 hours to 2 cents 572. And I'll stop there because those are the only ones up over 9%. And let's go to the top 20 in market cap. So we talked about Bitcoin, Ethereum. BNB is at $247.74, up 1.89% in the last 24 hours, up 0.45% in the last 7 days. XRP is at 62 cents 16, down 0.12% in the last 24 hours, down 4.43% in the last 7 days. Sold from Solana is up 0.25% in the last 24 hours, up 6.66% in the last 7 days, to $59.80. ADA from Cardano is up 4.88% in the last 24 hours, up 6.39% in the last 7 days, to 39 cents 25. Doge from Dogecoin is up 3.25% in the last 24 hours, 4.54% in the last 7 days, to 8 cents 057. TRX from Tron is up 1.03% in the last 24 hours, down 5.02% in the last 7 days, to 10 cents 41. Link from Chainlink is up 8.45% in the last 24 hours, up 0.4% in the last 7 days, to $15.20. Ton from Toncoin is up 0.56% in the last 24 hours, down 2.82% in the last 7 days, to $2.36. Matic from Polygon is up 1.28% in the last 24 hours, down 3.76% in the last 7 days, to 85 cents 14. IVAX from Avalanche is up 2.45% in the last 24 hours, 24.36% up in the last 7 days, and $21.89 is the current price, or it was until it turned to $21.90 in the last few seconds. Dot from Polkadot is up 4.15% in the last 24 hours, down 2.38% in the last 7 days, to $5.45. LTC from Litecoin is up 2.04% in the last 24 hours, down 3.83% in the last 7 days, to $70.48. SHIB from Shiba Inu is up 1.67% in the last 24 hours, down 2.03% in the last 7 days. And Bitcoin Cash is up 0.92% in the last 24 hours, down 2.77% in the last 7 days, to $229.34. Yeah, just looking to see what the other market caps look like right now. So yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, please like and subscribe if you're interested in this kind of content, and we'll be live tomorrow. It's daily news, so whatever comes out tomorrow, you'll also, between now and then, we'll talk about. And feel free to write in the comments about the news and ideas you have as well. It's always interesting to get to exchange a little bit. All right, that's it for me for today. Have a great day. Thank you very much for joining, and see you tomorrow.